This is the practice test for fractions, and here we are looking at problem number 4. And the problem says select the number line that represents 5/6 or 5/6. And we are given the 4 number lines here, A, B, C, and D. And each number represents a whole. For example, we have 0 and then we have 1. And between 0 and 1 is one whole. And then from 1 to 2 is another whole. And from 2 to 3 is another whole. And then we notice that each whole number is divided into different parts. And because we have a 6 in the denominator, we would expect that the whole here would be divided into 6 equal parts, and that's what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. That whole is divided into 6 parts. Now, 5 out of 6 means that I'm going to be taking 5 of those out of the 6 total parts. So as I move over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that dot represents 5 parts out of the 6 in the whole. So this here is my answer, letter A. The dot at this point here represents 5 parts out of 6. Now I've given the number or the mixed number that corresponds to each dot on these different number lines. For example, on B we have one whole here, and then we have 1/4 more at this dot here, so this dot represents 1 and 1/4. Each whole on this number line is divided into 4 parts. And then on letter C we have 1, 2, and then we have 5 more out of 6 parts for the whole. And so this dot here represents 2 whole numbers, and 5, 6. On letter D we have 1 whole, and then we have 5 parts out of 6. So this dot represents 1 and 5/6.